Heroic deeds, unveiling the essence of bravery and valor. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idiomatic phrases, particularly focusing on the term, heroic deeds. This phrase is not just about superheroes in movies, it's deeply rooted in real-life actions and qualities. Let's explore what makes a deed truly heroic and how this phrase enriches our language and understanding of courage and valor. Heroic deeds are actions that go beyond the ordinary, showcasing exceptional courage, selflessness, or nobility. They are often associated with saving lives, facing danger, or making significant sacrifices for the greater good. This section will explore the components that make a deed heroic and how these deeds are perceived in different cultures and contexts. History and literature are replete with examples of heroic deeds. From the selfless acts of historical figures like Martin Luther King Jr. and Mother Teresa to the fictional bravery of characters like Harry Potter or Katniss Everdeen, we will delve into diverse examples that illustrate the concept of heroic deeds. This will help learners understand the wide array of actions that can be considered heroic. Heroic deeds are not just actions, they are a vital part of our language and culture. They shape our ideals, influence storytelling, and inspire everyday acts of bravery. This section will discuss how the phrase, heroic deeds, is used in everyday language, its role in shaping cultural narratives, and its influence on personal values and behavior. Understanding the term, heroic deeds, is more than an academic exercise. It can inspire us to act heroically in our daily lives. This section will offer practical tips on recognizing opportunities for heroic deeds in everyday situations, and how to cultivate the qualities that enable us to perform these deeds, such as empathy, courage, and resilience. I hope this video has not only helped you understand the phrase, heroic deeds, but also inspired you to recognize and appreciate the heroic acts around us and perhaps even perform your own. Remember, heroism doesn't always require grand gestures. Sometimes, it's the small acts of kindness and courage that make the biggest impact. Thank you for watching, and keep being your own kind of hero.